In this TeamWork 5 employee tutorial, I'm going to show you how to navigate your home page. If you're not on your home page that looks like this, go to your top menu bar and click on Home. If you don't see Home, click on TeamWork and from the drop-down menu, select Home. Once you arrive at your home page, look at the left-hand column. This will show you all of the things you have going on at work for today. So you can see if you're available or not. If you were scheduled to work, you would see that shift under Schedule. If your employer has you clock in and out through TeamWork 5, under Time, you would see whether or not you were clocked in or out. And under Collaboration, you would see any messages or events or notifications from your employer for that day. Under Settings, you should see your name and your email. That's a good place to look when you first log in to make sure that you're actually in your account if you're using a computer at work, just in case someone else forgot to log out and you're accidentally using their account. If I click on any of those categories, it will take me to that page. For example, if I click on Availability, TeamWork 5 will take me to my availability calendar and I can see when I'm available and when I'm not. To go back to the home page, I will click on TeamWork and select Home from the drop-down menu. And now I'm back at my home page. The column on the right is to help you learn how to use TeamWork 5 and navigate TeamWork 5. If Help is selected, you should see this gray box. If not, click on Help. The first thing under Help is the User Guide, which is the TeamWork 5 Employee Help documentation. If you click on that, it will open a new tab with all of those help documents. I'm going to go ahead and do that. And my new tab shows me all of the written documentation to help me navigate my TeamWork 5 account. Let's say I was having trouble with my availability. If I look on the left, I can see that there is a section called How-Tos for Availability. By clicking on that arrow, I will be able to view all of the help documents regarding availability. If I click on one of those, that help document will come up and I can follow the steps to figure out how to do whatever I need to do. To go back to TeamWork 5, I'll click on the tab at the top of my internet browser that says TeamWork. And now I'm back on my home page. The next section under Help is talking about your navigation. Depending on the size of your screen, the menu bar at the top will either be expanded or it will be collapsed. And all you have to do is click on that collapsed menu to make it come back up. Also, all drop-down menus have that little triangle caret symbol, and that's how you know that if you click on it, you'll get more options. Some pages are date-specific in TeamWork 5, and they let you set a target date range. Be aware when that's happening and make sure you're on the correct date range that you want to be on. If you have any feedback for the TeamWork 5 team, like issues or suggestions, go ahead and click the link at the bottom of that help section, and you can report it to the TeamWork 5 development or support team. The other feature of your home page is a sitemap. So if you click Sitemap next to Help, that Help page will go away and instead you'll get to see a sitemap. What this is it's a breakdown of each of the main tabs that you see at the top of your menu bar and what features you can find within those sections. For example, under Availability is My Availability, Templates, Overrides, My Leave, and All. Under Schedule, I have My Schedule, the Swap Board, Totals, and another section of All. So if you're trying to figure out where something is located, the sitemap is a good place to start. And that's how you can use your home page to navigate TeamWork 5. To learn more about your TeamWork 5 account, check out the next video.